For decades, Dollywood has welcomed families to its parks and resorts to focus on their most beloved treasure, one another. Here in the Great Smoky Mountains, families gather together, spending days and nights experiencing fun-filled adventures together in a place where eagles soar high in the sky, and thrilling laughter and the sound of music soars even higher, where the whistle of the Dollywood Express treks families along the mountainside, where families feel at home while away from home. It's a place for families to create memorable experiences that they can come back and repeat time and time again. In 2019, Dollywood, as a leader in the theme park industry, will once again expand its footprint, creating a new land for families. It's Dollywood like never before. Welcome to Wildwood Grove. Wildwood Grove is a Smoky Mountains adventure like never before. There's so much to explore inside Wildwood Grove. Come explore, play, and imagine together with your family at Dollywood in 2019.